Today we are discuss physical chemistry first chapter atomic structure in that important relations. Planck's relation first one E is equal to h mu, next mu is equal to c by lambda, frequency is equal to velocity of light by wavelength, wave number mu bar is equal to inverse of the wavelength mu bar, that is equal to frequency by light velocity, lambda that is equal to h by mv, it is known as de Broglie equation. Root mu is equal to a into z minus b, where z atomic number, ab constant, mu is frequency, it is Moseley's relation. H mu that is equal to h mu naught plus ke, it is a photoelectric effect relation. Mu bar that is equal to 1 by lambda is equal to r into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square, where n1 lower energy level, n2 higher energy level are Rydberg constant. It is known as Rydberg equation. mvr is equal to nh by 2 pi. That is quantization relation for the Bohr's theory. Potential energy is equal to minus e square by r. Kinetic energy of electron in orbit is equal to plus e square by 2r. Radius of nth orbit is equal to n square h square by 4 pi square m z e square. Nth orbit radius, if we substitute all the constant values, 0.529 into n square angstrom. Nth orbit energy minus 2 pi square m e power 4 by n square h square. For hydrogen like species, here we write z square e power 4. If we substitute all the constant values, then nth orbit energy, that is equal to minus 2.18 into 10 power minus 11 by n square in erg per atom, minus 2.18 into 10 power minus 18 by n square joule per atom, minus 13.6 by n square electron volt per atom, minus 1312 by n square kilojoule per mole, minus 313.6 by n square kilocalorie per mole. And nth orbit velocity of electron, 2.18 into 10 power 8 by n centimeter per second. And their ratio, velocity ratio in different orbits, v1 by v2, that is equal to n2 by n1. Number of spectral lines formed when electron jump from higher energy level to ground state, that is n into n minus 1 by 2. And Heisenberg uncertainty principle relation, delta x into delta p greater than or equal to h by 4 pi, where p is momentum, that means mass into velocity. We can write mass constant, so delta x into delta v greater than or equal to h by 4 pi m. Number of nodal planes, that is equal to L, that means in orbital number of nodal planes. For s orbital nodal planes 0, p orbital 1, d orbital 2, and so on. Number of radial nodes, that is equal to n minus L minus 1, or spherical nodes also same, n minus L minus 1. Time period, that is ratio of wavelength to light velocity, or inverse that of frequency. Velocity of electron, that is equal to rest mass of electron by root 1 minus v by c whole square. If velocity of electron equal to light velocity, then mass of electron, it become infinite, because its value becomes 0. Something by 0 is equal to infinite, so mass of electron become infinite when velocity of electron or any particle is equal to light velocity. Energy of orbital n plus L, it is also known as n plus L rule, used to find the energy of the orbitals. S orbital nodal planes, that is equal to 0, px orbital nodal plane yz, py orbital nodal plane xz, pz orbital nodal plane xy, dxy orbital nodal plane yz zx, dyz orbital nodal plane zx xy, dzx orbital nodal plane xy yz, dx square minus y square orbital nodal plane yz zx, and these are making 45 degrees to the x and y axis. In Sommerfeld relation, n by k, that is equal to n means length of major axis, k means length of minor axis. If n by k value is equal to 1, then circular orbit. N by k value not equal to 1 means elliptical orbit. And number of subshells is equal to n in orbit. Orbitals equal to n square and electrons equal to 2n square in the orbit. Orbitals in subshell is equal to 2l plus 1. These are the important relations in atomic structure for competitive exams. Thank you.